Just going for a drive up the middle house. Little dam's full. There's the driveway. Oh, almost covered down there. There we go. It's all covered here. Water's got to go somewhere, I suppose. This is interesting. There's a meat ant's nest. They've been building that about a month. Maybe they knew something. Look how high. That's incredible. They know something. So we go up here. Road's all flooded over there. This is all raised a bit. I put the gravel down so the water doesn't sit too much until you get to here. Right there. It all comes across from the high side. And this is all water. And it's flowing. Flowing all the way. It's all flowing. It's flowing. Oh, you just beat these there. Here's my driveway. This is my driveway. And we come out of it about here. Again, the meat ants are just there, and they built all that up high. And this is the entry into Dusty Downs Heights. And water covering the whole lot. And yeah, I'll drive down there. There's the track. Dusty Downs Heights, and there's water everywhere, and I'll stop it there and I'll check the gauge.